Hi, I'm Christina.
And I'm Randy. Are you ready for an adventure?
Come see our journey.
Today's adventure brings us to the Ethel M chocolate factory. The Ethel M chocolate factory is located in Henderson, Nevada, just outside of Las Vegas. We came late in the evening, and the production was already ended or just finishing up, and they were starting to clean the place and set up for the next day. Ethel M produces gourmet chocolate and has self-guided tours along through windows so that you can see how the chocolate is made. Ethel M is owned by Mars Incorporated and was named after the mother of Forrest Mars Sr. We were able to shop in the factory store and enjoy some of the chocolate. We took home a mug and several different kinds of chocolate just to enjoy. Of course she's got to shop for chocolate.
Sea salted caramel, my fave. So I have to have one.
But we didn't come to Ethel M to see the chocolate or to see the chocolate factory. Even though we did enjoy it, we came to see the Christmas lights. The factory has a botanical cactus garden to be exact, and the botanical cactus garden has over 300 species of desert plants. The gardens has a Christmas display that goes on from November to January the 5th. The Christmas light display goes on every night from November to January the 5th, but it's from dusk until 10 p.m. I love these trees. I love what they do with the trees here.
You know what? It's like they're falling. Those little pieces keep falling down and gathering. See, it shuts off, and then it's just really cool the way they do that.
Due to the pandemic, reservations must be made in advance, and the reservations sometimes are very hard to get. But you can also come to the factory and do a standby. If someone doesn't show up for their reservation, they will let you in. So even the Christmas trees look like cactus gardens. Cactus. The amount of lights that they've put into this place for Christmas is just unbelievable. Everything is lit. Every cactus, every tree. It's fantastic.
Oh, look at he's throwing the snowball at the other penguin.
I love looking at the animated lights where it looks like a penguin's throwing a snowball or something like that. It makes it more exciting and more fun to see the lights. Now on this one, you don't drive through, you walk through. But and it's kind of cool outside because it's not cold, it's not ice cold, but it's kind of cool, and it makes it a little more Christmassy. All along the path there are light tunnels and lots of different lights to see and bright colors, and like I said, it's just a wonderful thing to see the whole thing, and it's nice because it's free.
Come to me, Christmas lights. Love them.
Christina really enjoyed the lighted angels and teddy bears and nutcrackers, all kinds of different shapes and sizes. I liked seeing the fact that they had put it all in cactuses. Those cactuses are just fantastic because who can light a cactus? I mean, who put their hand in there? Those things are sharp. Then there's the trees with the dripping lights. Dripping lights are not unusual, but these are big masses of light that drip, and so it makes it kind of fun to look at, and it makes it more mystical outside. Now you may know Mars Candy Incorporated, by the types of products that they normally sell in grocery stores and retail outlets. Milky Way, Three Musketeers, Snickers, M&Ms are all Mars products, and that's not the type of chocolate that this is. This is a high-end gourmet type chocolate that they sell here. It seems like you walk forever as the path zigzags back and forth. There's 3 acres that are transformed into a holiday wonderland. It's a nice thing to see because you don't think about Las Vegas as having Christmas lights and things that you can do for free and places that you can visit that don't have to do with gambling or drinking. And this is a nice place that is available for everybody to come and see and enjoy, and even bring the family and have a good time. And I said that the tickets are hard to get, but take a look down the path. Do you see anybody besides Christina? No. We're there about 9 o'clock at night. They close at 10. It takes about an hour to walk through the whole thing. And so we took that hour and pretty much enjoyed it. We were one of about 10 people, and that was about all that there was at the whole time. A light display like this, if it was in Los Angeles, would end up costing you $60, $70 to be able to go and see it, if not more. And it would probably be a drive-through event, where this is a little up close and personal, and you can take your time and enjoy the lights.
Those two.
You're like an ice skater, the guy, huh?
Yeah.
That's nice. The whole time that you're walking through, there's Christmas music playing, and it kind of offsets the other sounds around you, which would be loud airplane noises. The factory is very close to McCarran Airport in Las Vegas, and pretty much lines up with the runway. And so as you're walking around, if you look up, a lot of times it looks like you're going to have a jet landing on your head, because it's very close to the runway of McCarran Airport. But it's easy to forget about those jets that are flying overhead when you've got something as beautiful around you as all these Christmas lights and all the animation that is happening. We've done several different Christmas light tours this year because we enjoy Christmas and the Christmas season and the Christmas lights. But this one was special because of the fact that it's Las Vegas and it's free.
That's a hedgehog cactus.
A hedgehog cactus.
That's what it says.
It's a hedgehog cactus. Let's see. It's a hedgehog cactus. And they got it decorated. Now, who stuck their hands in this spiny thing? See, it's all different kinds of cactuses.
Yeah, jumping chola. You better be careful. It might jump out at you. Here, look. See? This is Santa's workshop. There's the sign.
Somebody decorated it.
It's purple.
Somebody decorated these cactuses.
Purple pancake cactuses.
Things don't grow so easily in the Nevada desert. due to the amount of rain that they get, which is very little, but they can make it very interesting by decorating the cactus, and it sure is a beautiful sight, and you never know that it's a cactus when you see it at night. I got a lot of lights here.
Yeah. I like that.
There's a ton of lights in this place.
That's pretty cool. It's like a Mrs. Snowman.
Yeah. Kind of weirded out deers. Oh dear, they're sparkling. This one's kind of hard to tell what it is, but it's a kid hanging on the back of a Christmas tree that the dad has slung over its shoulder.
I found you right when summer went away. Now I want December to stay. Tell me your favorite Christmas songs. I'll only agree.
Lighted lollipops. That's an appropriate thing to have around a candy factory.
But I take a sweater beside you. Ooh, you give me Christmas magic. Ooh, like I've never had it. 'Cause it's snowing somewhere Christmas Eve. On my shoulder fast asleep.
I really like the way that these lighted peacocks look. There were several different ones in several different positions. Very nice.
Drove to the suburbs with our Christmas lists. Waiting for parking, you gave me a kiss. I'd be all
Well, you always gotta have a
right
bumble.
for my Christmas.
There's gotta be a bumble
Felt
someplace.
just a little like this. 'Cause I've spent Decembers with empty hands. Too many times not to ask you.
We hope that you have enjoyed these light tours as we've presented different ones, because we've certainly enjoyed them, and we love sharing them with everybody and sharing the Christmas season with everyone as well.
Those are the king and queen cactuses.
Somewhere Christmas Eve. On my shoulder fast asleep.
This will be our last Christmas light tour for this year, and it was appropriate that it was a free one in Las Vegas, and that we had a lot of fun, and that it had a lot of lights involved, and it was highly unusual. Ethel M chocolates. We're in the Cactus Garden for the Christmas decorations. After Christmas, and they keep going until January.
There's a lot of lights.
What kind of plant is this? This is
The king.
I don't know how to say it, but that's a. I want to know who put the lights on it. If you ever decide to visit Las Vegas at Christmas time, be sure to put this on your list to make sure that you make a reservation or at least look it up and see where it's at and come and visit Ethel M Chocolate Factory. You won't be disappointed. If you enjoyed our vlog, please subscribe
And ring that notification bell.
and give us a like. It lets us know you care.
And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.